To book a hotel with American Airlines miles, start by going to the American Airlines website and logging into your AAdvantage account. Once logged in, click on the Book Travel tab and select Book with Miles. You will then be taken to a page where you can search for hotels. Enter your destination, travel dates, and the number of guests. You can also filter your search by hotel name, price, or distance from a specific location. American Airlines has partnered with several hotel chains, including Marriott, Hilton, and Intercontinental, to offer its members the opportunity to redeem their miles for hotel stays. The number of miles required for a hotel stay varies depending on the hotel and the time of year. When you find a hotel that suits your needs, click on it to view the details and the number of miles required for a stay. If you have enough miles in your account, you can book the hotel room using your miles. You will need to provide your personal and payment information to complete the booking. Even though you are using miles, this is for any additional charges, such as taxes or incidentals. It is essential to note that booking a hotel with American Airlines miles may not always be the best value, as the number of miles required can be high. It is crucial to compare the number of miles required to the cash price of the hotel stay to ensure you are getting a good deal. Additionally, consider the benefits of booking a hotel directly with the hotel chain, such as earning hotel loyalty points or taking advantage of promotions. To get the most value out of your American Airlines miles, it is recommended to use them for flights, especially international business or first-class tickets. However, if you have a large number of miles that are about to expire or you are looking to redeem them for a hotel stay, booking a hotel with American Airlines miles can be a good option. By following these steps and considering the value of your miles, you can successfully book a hotel with American Airlines miles and enjoy your stay.